Hello and welcome to another Get Railed video, where today we are at another winter light festival. As you can see behind me, we're at Battersea Power Station today to see the light festival that starts on the 23rd of January up until the 23rd of February. We've got we've got 8 light installations to see today, so I'm just going to go one to the other. Let's see what we can find. It looks nice, look at this, very festive. Okay, there we go. So I finished all 8 lights. It was very, very beautiful. Same thing as I said with the Canary Wharf winter lights. It's nice just to have something free to do, which just takes up an hour or so of the evening. It's running until the 23rd of February. Give it a go. Beautiful. Till next time, get railed.